thing. Something wrong with this egg?
It's hilarious how much this is not how this is supposed to go.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Aria. If I seem really uncomfortable and sweaty, it's because I'm filming with my friends. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Aria. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. You're probably not new if you're watching this video, but today I'm here with my friends. That was normal.
You're killing it. Sorry for pulling you on camera. Tell them what you're doing.
So for today's video, we're going to be making 100 cookies for 100 subscribers. So I planned to film this video about a week ago, which is when I hit 100, except now we're at like 370, which is insane. I don't know why so many of you subscribed, but thank you. I realize that's still like a very small number, but my goal was 100 by the end of the summer, so. Okay, we're just gonna get into making the cookies because I've said this intro like 3 times and it's not getting any better, so we're just gonna get into it. Okay, this isn't a tutorial on how to make cookies because we're following something that we found on Pinterest, but first we have to mix all of our shit, so we're gonna do that.
These are cute.
Yeah, aren't they? This is the thing you talked about in 20 minutes ago. Ooh.
Oh! This isn't really we're baking 100 cookies for 100 subscribers. This is we're watching Ashton. We're watching Ashton.
That's
bake.
fine, honestly. I'm a bit of a control freak, which I also when we get to the death.
Oh my god! Wow, she's really good.
She's really good.
Filthy.
I'm a flower leopard now. A flower leopard?
This is why I want to like. Yes, we need baking soda and salt. So the baking soda is 1 teaspoon. You want to do the honors?
Only one?
Yeah.
Remember Hannah Montana? Thanks to Dr. Kennedy. And get the festival.
Get meat.
Starring nothing.
And then we want granulated sugar. So that would be.
Yo, baby.
You know, that's the classified. They had to take care of a flower baby at home and back.
Brown clumps. You know that meme? I do not control the rate at which. No, it's the meme that I do not control the rate at which lobsters die. Drake and Josh.
I do not know that.
That's really good.
That's so much good audio to go through.
Yeah, you're gonna quite literally want to kill us when you're editing this. And then it cut to her going, me editing. Alright, we got the sugar. We got brown sugar.
Blood.
Bonk. That's really good though. Alright. Is this room temperature yet? Sure.
Why not?
We were both like, yeah.
Does it matter?
Probably, yeah. I mean, it'll make our lives more difficult.
I think it's
okay.
soft enough.
This is why it matters. Look at that. It's fine. It's hilarious how much this is not how this is supposed to go. I know what creepy looks like. Do not how you're supposed to do this. You should have waited for this longer. I knew it. Whatever. It's getting there.
Oh yeah.
It smells so good though. I mean, it's literally just sugar and butter, but you know.
I don't know. I never watched them real well.
Look at this. It's actually becoming. Ah!
One big ball.
We're helping so much.
Do this.
Something wrong with this egg.
See? Something's up. Why is it paler than the others?
Like, to visualize how different heaviness they feel, it's like this.
Yeah.
Like, this feels like light and this brings down.
Wait, okay, let me feel this.
Am I just crazy? Because also they look different, so I'm a little...
Oh.
I mean, they're like actually free range, so they're not going to be uniform.
These are uniforms.
These are like
Yeah.
very different though.
know where the fuck we get our eggs.
Darling, you send me.
Do you crack eggs with 2 hands?
Roasted.
I don't even know how to do that. Okay.
I don't know how to like it. You just did 2 hands.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant you were taking the egg and going like that. And I was like, what the fuck? There's mysterious oil on that one.
Probably Pam.
What?
Pam. No, you know Pam from The Office?
Yeah, what about her?
She put the oil on.
Wait, now I'm really confused.
Is there an episode where she puts oil
No.
on the pan?
There isn't.
No. I'm just saying because her name is Pam. So it's like
Oh
the same
my
as
God.
the cooking spray Pam.
She's making a pun. I think.
I don't do puns. I don't know what I'm talking. I just talk and in hopes like it'll stir up something. Rose.
Sorry, four
No,
four rows.
Rose.
Darling, you send me.
I helped so much.
Oh my god, Ari, did you hurt yourself?
No, I'm good. I like
No.
barely touched it. It was more just like me preparing.
Yeah.
I know you send me. Darling, you.
And the bowl that literally says popcorn.
Darling, you. Darling, you. Send me.
Yeah.
Darling, you.
Molly, out of my kitchen.
Or
Darling, you.
yeah.
Send me.
It's 100 mega cookies.
Well,
I know you. Send me. Darling, you.
the cookie dough
99th.
melted. Yay! For 100 subscribers!
Send me. Honest to do. Honest to do. Send me. Honest to
Look at that. I love just
I mean,
fish cookies.
You can cut up to be 50.
Yeah. We just finished making our 100 cookies, now we're eating them, and we're trying to keep Ashton's dog from eating them as well. Seriously, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers, and now almost like 400. That's absolutely crazy. If you are watching this, comment what videos you want to see, and I'll probably do it as long as it's not like something super weird.
She's staring me dead in the eyes.
No. There you go.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you
And the next
in the next one. I don't know if I'm gonna post the next video on Thursday or Monday. We'll see how I'm going with my physics class.
Bye.
Bye. Molly, say goodbye.